Welcome back to Home Sweet Home Cooking. I'm your host Rocky in my mother's kitchen. Say hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom.
Today we're going to do, it is going into late spring, getting ready to go into summer. So it's time for some cold summer salads. Picnic stuff you want to put on. You got stuff grilling on the outside, you want something cold to go with it. Something refreshing, something a bit lighter. So today is, the recipe is just simply called Rick's. Explain this, Mom.
Okay, we used to have dinners in the back part where I worked at Simpson Electric, and Rick Pokwinski brought this salad to work one day. And so every time that we had a dinner in the back, I'd call his wife, and first time I called her, I said, "Linda, this is Kathy." And she said, "Yeah." And I said, "We're having a dinner," and I told her when, and they said, "Will you make that salad?" "Sure." So every time we had a dinner, I'd just say, "Linda, this is Kathy." "Okay, when?"
Yeah, it's a very simple, there's nothing cooked, it's simple to throw together. It is going to require a large bowl to mix in. We don't have a large enough bowl, so we're going to use a big old stock pot. The recipe calls for, now I've never made this, she's actually never made this.
I have.
Oh, you have made this, okay. So then you get to tell me what to do.
Okay, you mix it all together, what you got there.
Yep, tell them what we have here.
Oh, we have one large head of cauliflower.
Cut up into florets, cut in about halves or quarters.
And one large head of broccoli.
Right there, but now we didn't get quite, we did the Walmart pickup order, and they just gave us a head of broccoli. It wasn't really large, so it's going to be a little bit short on the broccoli on this one, and the cauliflower head was actually pretty big.
So, yeah, so it makes up for it.
Yeah. So
and besides, this makes a lot anyway.
Yep. Next.
Okay, a small box of frozen peas, not thawed.
Yeah, I'm going to guess it's about 8 ounces, or...
About 8 ounces.
I put 2 cups in here because I got a big bag of frozen peas. We couldn't find box peas anymore.
It ain't gonna hurt.
So I got 2 cups of frozen peas.
Cup of chopped celery.
Cup of chopped celery.
And a large chopped sweet onion.
Sweet onion, the onion that you can eat and not die from.
Those are hard to find.
If you're in the South and you get a Georgia Vidalia onion, that's the sweetest, the best onion I can find, but just the yellow sweet will be fine. I'll put that in here. And you go ahead and mix the sauce, Mom.
Do I have to?
Yeah. What you got in there?
2 cups of Miracle Whip.
Miracle Whip, not milk.
Right. A 1/3 cup of sugar. Cup of sour cream. Come on, get out of there. A teaspoon of garlic salt and a teaspoon of black pepper.
And
Oh, I forgot the rest.
a teaspoon of beau-monde.
Oh yeah, my favorite thing. Now you might have to get it online. We had trouble getting it, so I got 2 of them.
Yeah, Amazon carries it, so I think we got ours from Amazon.
Right.
You can probably get it through Walmart, but not in store unless you're at one of the larger Walmarts. So give that a whisk, I'm assuming, to mix it all up.
Yeah.
And how long would you say you want to let this sit before you really eat it? How long ahead do you make this in advance?
5 minutes for me.
But
If it
for
sits
most cold salads.
Right. Overnight would be really good because then you get some of those flavors like the onion and the celery will start permeating the
sauce.
Yeah.
The dressing. Yeah, it just, I think it's called melding, when the flavors meld or marry together. And anything that you mix like this, I would definitely let it sit overnight. So if you're planning on this for lunch on Sunday, you want to make it at probably lunchtime by Saturday, just so it has time to come together. And then I'm going to assume.
Yeah.
This already smells good with the beau-monde. The beau-monde is a very, not very, but it's got a good.
It's kind of pungent.
Yeah, it's got a little fragrance to it. And the sugar makes it smell sweet. And you can smell just a little touch of vinegar in the Miracle Whip. And I guess if you didn't have Miracle Whip, you could use mayonnaise and a touch of red wine vinegar, maybe.
Yeah, and a little sugar.
Yeah. And give me a few minutes to mix this up. We'll get it stirred in here real good, and I'll pour it out into the bowl and we'll take a look at it and a taste of it, more importantly.
Oh yes.
And time for her favorite part of the video.
Taste test. It's good.
Mm-hmm. The Miracle Whip definitely has that. It ain't got a thing if it ain't got that zing. It has a little bit of a punch to it, a little bit of sweetness, plus the sugar. Now, Miracle Whip, is Miracle Whip keto? Or is there sugar in Miracle Whip?
There's a couple carbs in it.
Okay. So if you wanted to do this keto, skip the Miracle Whip, put a little bit of mayonnaise. Use your 1 cup of mayonnaise, a dash of red wine vinegar, and some Splenda. And then instead of your 1/3 cup sugar, you'd add a sugar substitute. And then this would be keto. Ish. I mean, the sweet peas are going to have some carbs in it too, but it'll definitely be lower in carb than potato salad. Right?
That's right.
That's good. If you like raw vegetables. If you're the type of person that does not like raw vegetables, it's going to be kind of crunchy and kind of chewy for you. You might not like this, but that's fine. We're going to have more recipes coming up here over the next couple of weeks. And I think the recipe, even these, the veggies will soften up after it sits overnight.
A little.
Yeah. So I think it's just because we're hitting it fresh, it's really super crunchy. But it's good. It really is good, folks.
And the flavors will meld together.
I mean, it's fresh, and I'll give it 2 thumbs up. So if you have, yeah. My mom had never taught me not to chew with my mouth full.
Not to chew with your mouth full.
Not to speak with my mouth full. Yeah, don't chew with the full mouth, folks. Don't know what you can do. Swallow it, I guess. If you have your own summer recipes you'd like to share, please put them down in the comments below. I know there's a recipe out there, and I'll look for it online if I have to. It's a cold pea salad, mixed the same way with your dressing like this. It's got cheese in it. I would like to find that one if somebody out there has a recipe. If not, I'll look online for one.
I used to make it for the salad bar.
But you don't have the recipe, you just made it out of your head? Okay. We've got a copper penny one, which is a carrot one coming up.
And that is good.
There's another one that I know that's out there that's shredded carrots and raisins and some kind of something.
Sour cream.
Sour cream. That one was always pretty good too. And we did potato salad last year. We did macaroni salad last year, I believe. So we're probably not going to cover those. But I did find a dill pickle macaroni salad, which I'm going to try.
I like dill pickles.
Yeah. So we'll give that one a try too. But there'll be a couple different summer salads. Like I say, these are all going to be your cold salads that you serve as a side at a picnic, or if you just want, because it's getting hot outside, folks. It's 91 degrees and it's middle of May, so it's going to be a hot summer for us down here in Birmingham. And this is the kind of thing that I'd like just to snack on. Get me a bowl of this for lunch. Nothing else. I can live on that.
Those onions are sweet.
They are. So give us a thumbs up if you like it. If you want to see more of these videos for the recipes, share some below. If you have your family recipes, you can share. I know some family recipes are secret. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.
Bye, Mom.
Bye, Mom. Get on my food.